Hey friends, good morning and welcome back once again to Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. So, do you drink tea at least once a day? Do you like tea? Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? So, why am I telling all this? See here, this is a tea garden in which the tea pluckers are plucking the leaves. ये लोग चाय की पत्तियां तोड़ रहे हैं, उसको सुखाएंगे फैक्ट्री में और उससे चाय बनाएंगे। आप जानते हैं कि 80 करोड़ कप्स ऑफ टी हर रोज़ पी जाती है पूरे नहीं भारत में नहीं पर पूरी दुनिया में, पूरे विश्व में। तो लेट्स सी अ लेसन, द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द सेवन्थ लेसन 10th स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट फ्लाइट NCERT बुक सिलेबस. द थर्ड पार्ट इज टी फ्रॉम Assam. So let's see about it. As usual, you will get the word to word and line to line explanations as well as the word meanings in English as well as Hindi. So can you see one lady, she's plucking the tea leaves. She's carrying the basket, one end on her head. Let's see about this lesson. See how beautiful the tea gardens look from a distant view as well. There's a scene of a train. Let's see the lesson, tea from Assam. First, we read the introduction. Here, there are two boys who are moving to Assam. One actually belongs to that place and he has invited his friend to visit during the vacations. So let's read about both of them. What happens, how's their train journey, and something about the tea gardens and tea. Tea from Assam. Pranjul, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. So we know that Pranjul, he belongs to Assam and Rajveer also studies with him in this school in Delhi. And then what happens? Pranjul's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjul has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Pranjul has invited his friend Rajveer to come and stay with him during the vacations and see the tea gardens and enjoy the beauty and know about tea. एज प्रांजुल्स फादर इज़ अ मैनेजर. यहाँ पे प्रांजुल के फादर टी गार्डन में मैनेजर हैं, तो उन्होंने प्रांजुल ने अपने फ्रेंड को इनवाइट किया हुआ है अपने पापा के कहने पे शायद, और वो टी गार्डन विज़िट करते हैं. उनके स्कूल में छुट्टियां हैं, वो दिल्ली में स्कूल में दोनों पढ़ते हैं, प्रांजुल और राजवीर. तो प्रांजुल आसाम को ही बिलोंग करता है पर राजवीर नहीं. चाय गरम गरम चाय. अ वेंडर कॉल्ड आउट इन अ हाई पिच्ड वॉइस. Or we have seen this and heard this voice in the station. It's more than a noise, high pitched voice, like shrill voice by a tea seller at the railway station and the platforms. Chai garam garam chai, they are selling their tea like this. He came up to their window and asked, "Chai saab, give us 2 cups," Pranjul said. So the tea seller came to the window and asked them whether they would like to have tea. टी सेलर जो था स्टेशन पे प्लेटफॉर्म पे था, और जैसे ट्रेन वहाँ रुकी होगी कोई स्टेशन पे, तो वह पूछने आया चाय के लिए कि क्या वो लोग चाय पियेंगे, चाय खरीदेंगे. तो प्रांजुल ने कहा कि गिव अस 2 cups. प्रांजुल आस्क्ड फॉर 2 cups. दे सिप्ड द स्टीमिंग हॉट लिक्विड. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन इन देयर कंपार्टमेंट वाज ड्रिंकिंग टी टू. So they both started to have sip by sip. They started to have their tea. It was steaming hot. It was really, really very hot, in which steam was coming out. And everyone, almost in their compartments, they were also having the tea. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. So Rajveer shared one information. He may have found out some information about tea, so he's sharing the same with Pranjul, who may be knowing some of the information related to the tea as he belongs to Assam. उससे इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहा है राजवीर जब चाय सिप करने लगे, और उनके साथ लगभग सभी जने अपार्टमेंट के सभी चाय पी रहे थे. तो राजवीर ने इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर की कि क्या तुम्हें पता है कि 80 करोड़ टी के कप्स यानी 80 करोड़ कप चाय पी जाती है पूरे विश्व में, पूरी दुनिया में हर रोज़। व्यू exclaimed Pranjul, tea really is very popular. So he exclaimed and he agreed that, saying that tea is a popular drink. Tea is famous in amongst everybody. उसने भी साथ दिया, उसने एक्सक्लेम किया व्यू इज़ अ साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, आश्चर्य प्रकट किया। उसने कहा हाँ सचमुच टी बहुत ही फेमस है, पॉपुलर है। द ट्रेन पुल्ड आउट ऑफ द स्टेशन, प्रांजल buried his nose in his detective book again. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. Here what happens, the train then started from that station where it was on a halt. It had stopped there. So again it moved out of the station and Pranjal started reading his detective book. Rather he buried his nose. Buried his nose means मतलब जैसे नाक घुसा के बैठा था अंदर. He was very involved because it was a detective, that is thriller or some mystery story. Detective means some thriller or mystery story, that something about some murder or crime, thriller or mystery story. Okay, and Rajveer was an ardent fan. Ardent means he was a very very devoted fan. He was an extreme fan of detective stories. Both were fans, but here Rajveer's, it was maybe the first time he was coming to Assam, so he felt everything new, and he did not wish to read the detective stories in the train. Rather, he wanted to look outside from the train at the beautiful scenery outside. I have shown you one such beautiful scenery. See, can you see the scene outside the train in the tea gardens? Yes. So Rajveer started looking at the scenery and Pranjal again started reading his detective book. दोनों को अच्छी लगती थी डिटेक्टिव कहानियाँ पढ़नी. प्रांजल तो उसने अपना नाक ही घुसा दिया था, जैसे वह बहुत ही बिजी था अपनी डिटेक्टिव क्राइम स्टोरी पढ़ने में, बुक पढ़ने में. और राजवीर भी बहुत ही फ़ैन था डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज़ का, पर उसे अभी सिर्फ बाहर देखने में इंटरेस्ट था क्योंकि बाहर का नज़ारा बहुत ही खूबसूरत था और वहाँ पे टी गार्डन्स थे. और नाउ वो टी गार्डन्स और सब बाहर की सीनरी एंजॉय करना चाहता था. इट वॉज ग्रीन एवरीवेयर. राजवीर हैड नेवर सीन सो मच ग्रीनरी बिफोर. देन द सॉफ्ट ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड्स गेव वे टू टी बुशेस. यहाँ सब हरा हरा था. He had never seen so much greenery before, as it is told to us in advance in the starting of the lesson. Okay, they both are studying in a school at in Delhi. Then he may have not seen such beautiful scenes and greenery. Then the soft green paddy fields were over, and now there were tea bushes. Tea bushes started outside, and paddy fields, rice fields were over. It was a magnificent view against the backdrop of densely wooded hills. A sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy shade trees, and amidst the orderly rows of bushes busily moved doll-like figures. Okay, now here the scenery is described outside when the tea gardens start. So it was a very beautiful, very highly majestic view, perfect view to see outside against the backdrop. There were densely wooded hills. There were so many trees. Densely wooded means thick with trees, like a sea of tea bushes. It stretched as far as Rajveer's eyes could see. There were tea bushes. It was stretched like the scene I show you. I have shown you before few seconds. Okay, the sea of tea bushes is stretched as far as the eye could see. जहाँ तक राजवीर की आंखें जा रही थी वहाँ तक उसने देखा तो उसे काफ़ी घने जंगल दिखे और उसे टी एस्टेट्स दिखे। जहाँ तक नज़र जा रही थी वहाँ पर चाय ही चाय की पत्तियों का नज़ारा था। ड्वार्फिंग द टाइनी टी प्लांट्स वर टॉल स्टडी शेडी ट्रीज। अब यहाँ पे जो चाय की पत्तियों चाय के पेड़ को जो छोटा दिखाए, ड्वार्फ जैसा बौने जैसा दिखाए, उसके पीछे उससे बड़े बड़े पेड़ थे, मजबूत शेडी पेड़ थे और उनके बीच में जल्दी जल्दी से छोटी छोटी सी डॉल लाइक फिगर्स मूव कर रही थी। वो डॉल लाइक फिगर्स कौन थी कि जो वहाँ पे लेडीज़ हेड पर बास्केट का रख के और वो लोग जो चाय की पत्तियाँ चुनने जाती हैं, दोज हु आर द वर्कर्स देयर, and they were moving busily here and there. They were collecting the tea leaves. They were plucking the tea leaves and putting them inside their baskets, as I have shown you in some of the pictures like this. But if we see from very far away outside from the tent, these human figures will be seen by us like some dolls who are moving here and there. Okay, then let's see ahead. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of the tall chimneys. Okay, billowing means rising out in a large mass. Here billowing means rising out, coming out in a large mass. The smoke was coming out of the chimneys in huge forms, like this. Too much smoke, as there were tea leaves had to be processed in the factories, and buildings were ugly. Buildings were ugly because it was with fire and smoke. It was engaged always with fire and smoke. It was filled with fire. So building is called to be ugly, where we make the tea out of tea leaves. Hey, a tea garden! Rajveer cried excitedly. जैसे ही राजवीर को ये टी गार्डन दिखा, वह एकदम खुश हो गया, चिल्लाने लगा, खुशी से उछल पड़ा जब उसे एक टी गार्डन दिखा. Hey, a tea garden! Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. On the other hand, Pranjal, who was already born there, he had seen tea gardens all his life up to that time. So he didn't have the same excitement as Rajveer. He didn't share it. प्रांजल को इतना कोई आश्चर्य और नया नहीं लगा, क्योंकि उसने ऑलरेडी वो वहीं पैदा हुआ, वहीं पे बड़ा हुआ है और उसे मालूम है, उसने काफ़ी सारे टी गार्डन देख रखे होंगे, तो उसे इतनी राजवीर जितनी एक्साइटमेंट नहीं हुई. Oh, this is tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime. बल्कि उसने कहा, राजवीर से प्रांजल ने कहा कि ये अब टी कंट्री है, ये पूरा देश ही चाय का है, मतलब ये पूरा एरिया, यहाँ पे कंट्री मीन्स कंट्री नहीं है, पर यहाँ पे कंट्री मीन्स रीजन है, कि पूरा जगह ही चाय की है, चाय के गार्डन की. आसाम बहुत ही लार्जेस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है. आसाम में सबसे ज़्यादा चाय यहाँ पे बनती है, उगती है और बनती है. तो तुम्हें इतने गार्डन्स दिखेंगे कि तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी भर तक तुम देखते रहो तो भी ख़त्म नहीं होंगे. तुम्हें काफ़ी टी गार्डन्स देखने को मिलेंगे, बिकॉज आसाम हैज़ द लार्जेस्ट tea plantation in the world, and you will see many gardens. You will be tired of seeing gardens. It will last your lifetime, then also the gardens will not finish. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Okay, so what he tells Rajveer says that I have been reading, because he wished to come there. He had been reading about tea and he had been discovering few facts, and he says that no one has the perfect idea that where tea started, but there are many legends. Legends means stories which are passing from generation to generation, like our great grandfathers have told our grandfathers and so on. So which there exactly who discovered tea or what happened exactly and no one knows, but there are many stories behind it. राजवीर कहने लगा कि मैंने बहुत पढ़ा है, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे आना चाहता था, आने वाला था, तो मैंने बहुत ही टी के बारे में ऑलरेडी मैंने पढ़ा है और किसी को पता नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली किसने टी की खोज की, चाय की खोज किसने की, पर उसके पीछे कहीं कई कथाएं हैं, वार्ताएं हैं कि जो कि हमारे दादाओं से हमारे पापा तक, पिताजी से हम तक पहुंचती हैं। ऐसी लेजेंड से बहुत सारी कहानियाँ हैं उसके पीछे। तो हम अब मिलते हैं, ये फर्स्ट सेशन को ओवर करते हैं और ये सेकंड वीडियो में जल्दी से जल्दी हम मिलते हैं टी फ्रॉम असम का सेकंड पार्ट लेके। तो टिल दैट प्रॉमिस मी टू टेक वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ, to wash your hands off and on. Only if you don't have soap and water readily available with you, you can use sanitizers. Okay, don't use sanitizers excessively. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, see you.